Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to cover a brilliant and a very complex puzzle human can solve but engines cannot. This puzzle is actually composed by 3 persons. It's white to move and win the game. You can pause the video and try to find the solution. Let's just have a look at this position. If black takes on h2, white can simply promote to a queen and then he will win the game. So black has a very strong idea, and that is to bring the bishop to the h3 square, then only captures on h2, because in that case black can easily make a fortress. Let's see how it goes. The engine says here that it is a win for white. Well, b6, and now the engines offer the move like bishop f7 or bishop e8. So let's play bishop e8. After that, b7, which actually leads to a draw, but the engine keeps saying that it is a win for white. Let's see this variation. Well, if you play b7, then simply bishop b5. Now, if you promote your pawn to a queen, and black now is realizing this idea by bringing his bishop to f1, and then to h3, forming a fortress, and then capturing the bishop on h2. Or queen f4, attacking this pawn. I defend it by going bishop h3. White gives a check on c1. I simply take his bishop. And this is a dead draw position. There is no way to win for white. I will simply keep shuffling my king back and forth, and this is a draw. So going back to this position, instead of playing b7, let's try and play, for example, king c5 to prevent this bishop from coming here. Well, simply black plays bishop g6, again trying to bring the bishop to the f1 square. If king d4, then simply bishop e8. And now b7 is strong, because already by playing king d4, this is very important. The king now is near to the f2 square. Let's continue. So bishop b5, white promotes to a queen, then bishop f1, and we simply go back to the same position. So as we can see in this position, the engine is making a terrible mistake by promoting his pawn to a queen or playing any of these king moves. Let's also see this variation. If you promote to a queen, I simply have bishop f1. If you go, for example, queen b1, I simply take your bishop. If you take my bishop, this is a stalemate. In this position, you have already noticed that the engine is just unable to find the solution. The best move is the absolute fantastic b8 rook. And now if you play a move like bishop f1, I simply go rook b1. If king takes on h2, then white simply takes the black bishop, and this is not a stalemate. So instead of taking on h2, king goes to g2, then king e3, protecting the pawn on f2, I go bishop c4, understanding that I cannot defend this pawn here from this square, I have to protect it from this diagonal. And now the white rook starts chasing the black bishop. Rook b4, bishop e6, rook b6, bishop d7, rook h6, protecting this bishop, bishop c8, then rook h4, bishop e6, then king f4, king takes on f2, rook takes on g4, bishop takes on g4, king takes on g4, king g2, and a very strong move by white, which is actually a winning move. Can you find that move? It is bishop g1. If you push, I simply take it, then I push my pawn, and if you take my bishop, then king takes on f3, then I push my pawn. I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please do subscribe to my channel for a new video every day.